this is our new nursery slash Callie's room. Big closet. Very big closet. Lots of storage space. Skylights, new railing, all Kelly's toys.
Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. That is correct, and you're up to $100. Are you guys with 4 for 4 on your $25 question? We have 30 blocks to go. You have those strengths, still have both your shot. The next question is worth $50 a piece, and they're a little bit harder.
Little Charlize sleeping in her swing. Oh, what a pretty baby. Oh. There's the 2 beds. That's Callie's bed. That's Mommy's bed. There's Callie playing in her room. What are you doing?
All of the 1984 Winter Olympics. What Bosnian city was nearly destroyed by Serbian troops in 1992?
And on the stairs. And that's it.
Sorry, you was right. We're done $50.